Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of the metaverse? If you're passionate about creating content and exploring new avenues for monetization, you've come to the right place. In this video series, we'll be exploring various innovative ways to monetize your presence in the metaverse. From virtual real estate investments to NFT sales and everything in between, we'll uncover the most lucrative opportunities for content creators. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or just starting out, join us on this journey as we unlock the secrets to financial success in the ever-evolving landscape of the metaverse. Make big money with metaverse photography. The metaverse offers a kaleidoscope of digital landscapes, avatars, and experiences waiting to be captured through the lens of metaverse photography. With the right skills and tools, you can transform virtual moments into captivating art pieces. Whether it's picturesque landscapes, intricate avatars, or dynamic events, metaverse photographers can attract clients looking to immortalize their virtual memories. By offering your services for virtual events, weddings, or personal photo shoots, you can command substantial fees for your unique creations. Moreover, you can sell your artwork as digital prints or limited editions, tapping into the growing market of collectors eager to own a piece of the metaverse's aesthetic beauty. Create a metaverse animation video. Animation flourishes in the boundless realm of the metaverse, offering creators a canvas to weave captivating stories and visuals. From immersive narratives to whimsical advertisements, animation in the metaverse presents a myriad of opportunities for monetization. By showcasing your animation skills on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or dedicated metaverse hubs, you can attract audiences and potential clients interested in your work. Collaborating with brands, content creators, and virtual reality developers can also open doors to lucrative partnerships and sponsorships. Additionally, you can monetize your animation projects through crowdfunding platforms, merchandise sales, or by offering personalized animations for clients seeking bespoke content. Sell metaverse domain names. Just like in the physical world, virtual real estate holds significant value in the metaverse. Investing in premium domain names such as memorable locations or popular hangouts can yield substantial returns in the digital economy. Whether it's securing domains for virtual businesses, communities, or landmarks, savvy investors can capitalize on the growing demand for virtual property. By flipping domain names or leasing them to businesses and organizations, you can generate passive income and establish yourself as a prominent player in the metaverse's burgeoning real estate market. Additionally, you can participate in virtual auctions or marketplaces dedicated to trading virtual assets, leveraging the scarcity and desirability of prime domain names to maximize your profits. Metaverse music creation. In the metaverse, music becomes a powerful medium for self-expression and entertainment, offering creators numerous avenues to monetize their talent. Whether you're composing ambient soundscapes for virtual environments, crafting energetic beats for virtual clubs, or collaborating with virtual artists on innovative projects, the possibilities are endless. By showcasing your music on streaming platforms like Spotify, SoundCloud, or dedicated metaverse music hubs, you can reach a global audience and generate revenue through streaming royalties, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Moreover, you can leverage virtual events, festivals, and concerts to perform live in the metaverse, engaging with fans and monetizing your performances through ticket sales, donations, and merchandise. Additionally, minting your music as non-fungible tokens (NFTs) offers a unique opportunity to create scarcity and exclusivity, allowing fans to purchase and own digital assets tied to your music, such as limited edition albums, concert recordings, or exclusive remixes. How to make metaverse social media NFTs. In the metaverse, social media takes on a new dimension with the integration of non-fungible tokens (NFTs), enabling creators to monetize their content and engage with their audience in innovative ways. By creating exclusive content, such as virtual fashion designs, digital art, or personalized avatars, and tokenizing them as NFTs, you can offer your audience unique digital collectibles with inherent value. Platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation provide marketplaces where users can buy, sell, and trade NFTs, allowing creators to monetize their social media presence directly. Create, trade, collect, and sell moments in metaverse sports. Sports enthusiasts flock to the metaverse for immersive experiences and thrilling competitions, creating a vibrant ecosystem ripe for monetization. Whether you're a player, spectator, or collector, there are numerous opportunities to participate in the metaverse sports economy. By capturing memorable moments from epic matches, tournaments, and events, you can create, trade, collect, and sell virtual sports moments as digital collectibles. Platforms like NBA Top Shot and Sorare allow users to buy, sell, and trade digital sports cards and moments, leveraging blockchain technology to ensure authenticity and scarcity. As a creator, you can capitalize on the excitement surrounding virtual sports by producing and selling exclusive content, organizing virtual events, or partnering with athletes and teams to offer unique experiences to fans. Mint NFT concert tickets. Experience live music in the metaverse like never before by minting and selling NFT concert tickets. With virtual concerts becoming increasingly popular, minting NFT tickets offers a unique opportunity to monetize performances and engage with fans on a deeper level. By tokenizing concert tickets as NFTs, artists and event organizers can offer exclusive perks and experiences to ticket holders, such as virtual meet and greets, backstage access, or limited edition merchandise. This not only enhances the value proposition for fans, but also creates scarcity and collectability, driving demand for NFT tickets in the metaverse. Platforms like Zora, Mintable, and Foundation provide marketplaces where artists and event organizers can mint and sell NFT tickets, allowing fans to purchase and own digital assets tied to their favorite concerts and events. How to buy Metaverse land. Metaverse land serves as the foundation for virtual economies, offering investors and developers endless opportunities for growth and innovation. By purchasing virtual parcels of land in prime locations, investors can capitalize on the increasing demand for virtual real estate and establish themselves as key players in the metaverse's burgeoning landscape. Platforms like Decentraland, The Sandbox, and Crypto Voxels provide decentralized virtual worlds where users can buy, sell, and develop virtual land, creating immersive experiences and communities. Whether it's building virtual businesses, hosting events, or creating interactive experiences, owning metaverse land allows investors to unlock new streams of revenue and participate in the digital economy. Be a creator of metaverse video games. Embrace your passion for gaming and creativity by becoming a creator of metaverse video games. With the rise of virtual reality, augmented reality, and blockchain technology, the metaverse offers a fertile ground for innovative game development and immersive experiences. Whether you're designing multiplayer adventures, casual mobile games, or virtual reality simulations, there are endless opportunities to captivate audiences and monetize your creations in the metaverse. By leveraging platforms like Unity, Unreal Engine, and Roblox, you can bring your game ideas to life and reach millions of players worldwide. Monetization options for metaverse video games including game purchases, subscriptions, advertisements, and digital asset sales. Thanks for joining me in exploring the exciting realm of monetizing content in the metaverse. If you're hungry for more insights and strategies on how to turn your virtual creations into real-world profit, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the full potential of the digital realm. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the metaverse.